Hey guys, so why is it a flickering light? Okay, are you guys seeing this? Why is the light flickering? Okay, so as you guys may know, I'm assuming by the title of this video, this is a mukbang, or mukbang? No, mukbang. Yeah. Look, I've got here some, what was it? I'm drawing a blank, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and, I finally remembered what it was. So, this here is, cream soda. That's it. It's a cream soda, float. Oh, so good. I love cream soda floats. And here, we got ourselves, a Hungry Man, because why not? Like, is the light? Oh, okay. There. I think that is way better lighting. I had my little lamp on, so. There, now you can see my glorious glow. So. I don't know why this fork is, like, so curved. Like, look at that. Ugh. It's a little bit strange. So this is like a turkey dinner. Have I tried this one? I'm trying to remember if I've had this before. We all know that mashed potatoes aren't mashed potatoes. They're definitely something else, though. Eh. Not my favorite for mashed potatoes. I could eat this all day long. Like, no joke. It's like that freaking good. Sorry, I swore, but like. Why'd I take another bite of the mashed potatoes? Just no. What about the cranberry sauce? I could eat that as a dessert. The stuffing is, well, fake, but man, is that ever good stuffing. Oh my god. I love, Hungry Man stuffing. It's so good. Do I even need a knife? Like, come on. No, I don't need this knife. I'll just set that there. If it fits in my mouth, then I'm good. I swear I can fit anything in my mouth. I'm not gonna... No. I'm not gonna go on about what I can and can't fit in my mouth because... No. So good. Nope. No. I'm sorry. I got the sniffles, and it's driving me nuts. Why is it so cold down here? Well, okay, duh. I'm in my basement, but like, this is also my bedroom, so... I'm gonna try and eat the mashed potatoes, even though they're off. Ooh, wait, what if I ate them with the cranberry sauce? Okay, I'm gonna try it. Okay, little bit of cranberry sauce, little bit of mashed potatoes. Okay, that oddly tastes like cherry pie. What the... Okay. No swearing. No. What the actual F? That tastes like frickin'... Why does that taste like... Oh my god. That literally tastes like cherry pie. Why? That's cherry pie. I don't know if it's just me, but to me, mixing the cranberry sauce with the mashed potatoes, it tastes like frickin' cherry pie. That's good. Well, at least I know a way to eat mashed potatoes that are fake and have it taste somewhat decent. Oh yeah. How's my... Okay. I think my makeup's okay. For now. But, like... It's gotta run someday. I just realized something. I haven't tried the corn yet. Okay. I'm gonna try the corn. Just tastes like corn. Kinda corny if you ask me. I'm choking on corn. Oh my god. Careful, I don't want to ruin my makeup. Maybe that's what I should name the video. Children choking on corn. Oh my god. Yeah, so if you guys didn't know, I don't have school tomorrow, even though it's Friday, and I'm really happy. So, I was trying not to burp on camera. That's good. Oh, hey. Mm. Mm. Hmm. What else did I want to talk about? See, now I don't remember. I don't know what to do with this fork. I'm sorry, I'm a giggly ass bitch. I don't care who knows it. My boyfriend's gonna be pissed when he sees this. Don't ask me why. I just know he's gonna be pissed. Because we literally do everything together. Okay. We cuddled Okay. Let's be serious. Oh, I've fallen and I can't get up. Oh God. Ow. I just stabbed myself with a fork. I just... I stabbed myself with a fork. And earlier today I was choking on a chocolate chip. I could choke on another one if you want. Oh my god. I need to calm down. It's super melted. I'm sad. Why am I laughing? There's nothing to laugh about. Why am I laughing? What the hell? I swear there is something seriously wrong with me. Ooh, 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 no, ooh, 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 ooh. There's hair in my food. Don't know whose hair that is, but it's not mine. Kinda looks like cat fur. So, I guess my cat was in my food. No, no, no. Oh shit. My nail broke. Ow. That hurt. I don't know what to do. I've got like... That looks disgusting on camera. What am I supposed to do with all this? Guys... I'll just chuck corn at the camera, because why not? I'd rather eat it. Here, have some. Oh, get out of here, cat fur. If only it was cream corn. Oh well. It is what it is. Oh. That is not my hair. There was a hair in this, and it's not... Who's working without a hairnet on? This is probably why I don't like Hungry Man, because I'm always worried what I'll find in it. Okay. There's really not much to talk about. Blink, blink, blink. And stare. Okay. I feel like I'm all alone in this house right now. Hold on. I can't get up. Hello? Anybody there? Nope. Well, looks like I'm all alone here. Oh, wait. I hear footsteps. Maybe I'm not alone. Hello, random person. You are now on the video. That's my dad. Yeah. Do I want mashed potatoes or cream corn? Mashed potatoes or cream corn? Cream corn. Well, okay, I don't even think it's cream corn, but like, it's good. I'll tell you that. I'm in love with their corn. I don't know what it is about it, but it's so dang good. Okay, before I forget, because I'll probably forget in like the next 5 minutes. My nose is runny and I don't know why. Go follow me on TikTok. Username is the big goof. 3 separate words, and they're not clumped into one thing. So, my logo should be like a blue galaxy You'll know right away. It'll be like the very first thing. It's like a blue galaxy. So yeah, go follow me on that. I'm not finishing these mashed potatoes. They are. Now what? I don't know what to do. I've laughed so hard that nothing's funny anymore. And I'm still hungry. It's called a hungry man, but it literally leaves you a hungry man. So, no. Alright. Well, I'm probably gonna end the video here, Len. And, probably FaceTime my boyfriend. Because I got, like, nothing better to do. So, yeah. I got huge eyeballs. Why? Look at that. Get a close-up on my makeup. Cover that zit up. Oh yeah, my nails. Aren't they pretty? Yeah. Alright. Peace. Bye.